Hello there. Starting off a play on Fallout Shelter, which I think will be quite good. As you see, I did that. The reason why there's an empty vault is because I had a glitched vault with the glitch with 10,000 lunchboxes and Mr. Handy's. Spoilers if you don't know, and spoiler one. Guess not really. It's not that much of a game. Like no story, I guess. Not much of one anyway. So. Yeah, it deleted that save. Don't know why. So yeah, let's get into a new vault. Yeah. Congratulations, Vault Tech has selected you to be the overseer of Vault Random Number. We'll keep people safe from the dangers of the wasteland. Sorry for the bang there. Dad doing something upstairs. So yeah, get into it. If and when it loots. And if my game crashed, wow. Come on. Here we go. Over there, let's introduce the basics. You can place another one out there. Look, new dwellers have shown up at the vault door. You see the dweller's special stats. This info tells you when a dweller can be used most efficiently. To assign a dweller, tap and hold, drag them to a room. Try assigning this dweller to the power generator you built. So yeah, it's better to do something else with her. It's like something like charisma or something. I can't remember. So yeah, like always like just hurry up. Let's make dinner. I love it. Let's make dinner. Woohoo. Let's make dinner. Endurance. We should go in there. Gonna lead. Jill wants you. Effective is the word. Lonely. Sharon. Because yeah, I will be starting a new series on this, which will continue if you guys like it. I'm seeing like 3 people right now. Well, 3 subscribers roughly last time I checked. So yeah. In more parts I'll make a jump cut, hopefully. First time I'm actually doing a jump cut, so I'm gonna hope it works. No. Dino. Okay, so living quarters. 12 dwellers. So, dwellers special. Getting cat bonuses, yeah. Which is the heights of power. Okay, yeah, I'm making a jump cut here. I'm ready for a black. Just noticed, like, Where does that steam come from? It's coming in, not out. Never mind. I'll go again. Bye. So a driller has just arrived, and I'm gonna do a couple of achievements to get intelligence. Just. Living quarters. It's really rough. It's the best I saw. That's one thing I've always done, like, you zoom in on this and it's just really 2D. What we gonna get? Water. Cats. Globe. Waitress uniform. And sci-fi fan. Yes, I am English, if you're anyone watching he's like, it's Zifi, something like, I don't know. I'm just... Yes, fisting options. Duty 2. Yeah, it's from Star Trek, I forgot the guy. Scotty, I believe. What do you think? I think it means you're gonna be a picnic. So get the fuck out. Living quarters. Okay, I resumed recording because little cheat thing where you just send them out and give them a call immediately. So yeah. Underglue, Stimper, Cats, Bespoke attire. You can tell I have problems saying that. Bespoke attire. And I'm sorry if it's weird. Okay, inventory. Outfit. Strength. Double my strength. Anybody's coming gonna punch him right in the face. Beast. Just get your fist and zonk right in the face. Okay. In the wrong. Very grindy. Sometimes it's like, oh, you're stuffing it. It's like, that's how we put it out for that. Yeah, I'm within recording a bit. So, hello. Yeah, that final phrase, I believe you broke up. No, it's broke. I don't know. Yeah, you can tell by that face he wants to get laid. Oh, you changed the face. Still wants to get laid though. Just the hell, like all the kids are the ones who have eyes, and then these guys are just pupils on their. Oh god. They're just pupils on their head. Are you a perceptive? There you go. Young man, aren't you? Get back, mother trucker, don't know me like that, kid. Doing that. Okay, I've got a lot of stuff to do. 50 water, 50 food, 100 power. Yeah. Yeah. Ben. Shut up. Yeah. Lunchbox. Let's see what we get. We have first weapon ever. Power. Caps. Junk. Like, if you ever play this game, don't go when you see a gold early on in the game. Most of it's not going to be gold. It's just going to be some really good junk. This is still technically gold, but it's not exactly phantasmic. It's not like the world just gave you a cookie, like out of a hedge, and it's got triple chocolate. There, woman. Quit. Shoot 'em in the face. Bang, bang, bang. In the bang, 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 bang. 50 food. 100 water. 100 power girl. Diner. Buh. Yeah, so this is what it's like. Cut it out on the 15-minute mark, so yeah. I will be starting doing longer videos. I'm talking about this video stuff, like YouTube thing's kind of new to me. Just very expand your vault deeper. Look at me, I'm a stereotypical school guy. School teacher, I think. I don't know, I haven't been to America. Even if that's where it is, man, I hope you can hear me properly, because I'm not bleeding 15 minutes. Is that Deborah? The bullshit. That's what I see. Oh. He's laying 2 people. Really? He just has sex with her, and I was like, hey, guess what? Hey, diggity. I'm gonna use that reference a lot, because diggity. I can't do it. Diggity. Yeah. Alright, you piss off. Take my stim pack and piss off. One time I had a really good guy, but I couldn't work some really good stuff on it, and evicted it as on my hack thing. I suppose this is what I get for cheating. And if you want to see that, that'll be good. It's how to get infinite lunch boxes in Fallout Shelter. That's the game. So yeah, this is it. Kind of, I guess. Fallout. There's a lot of indistinct sounds whenever you're going to set them. 50 food. What's the other one? 50 food. 100 power. An outfit. Watch this. It's called cheating the game. Okay, I'll finish this lunchbox. One sec, I'll check. So yeah, I'll finish lunchbox and then end the video. Stim pack. Oh, useful. I thought that was actually good something. Oh, friend Sam, first lunchbox he opened, Sam the Yam. He got power armor, and I'm just like, screw you. And it's not even the worst. It's not like the A2. I believe that's the worst. Ooh, that's good. Ding. Hubbing. So yeah, see all you dudes